So there was an original repair, and you can see here the stuff all around here where they had put something. There's some holes where they had bolted something on there, but the whole thing was not done well, and the wood behind there was rotten. So yeah, no. So what we did was we cut it out, and we cut all of the wood out, and then we have created, where's that piece? We've created a piece that fits right in there. And then we're gonna put some patches on both sides. So this patch will go here, it'll be cleaned up and go here on this side. And then we'll put another one just like it on the back side. And then we'll put our hook, our latch piece back on here. We'll go all the way through to both of the metal pieces to make sure everything stays in place, and reinforce where the latch goes on our PUP tent. So here's the repair fix on the outside. You can see it's bolted and sealed. It's not pretty, but it works, and then I'm gonna go around here, see if I can do this, up inside, and
there it is.
There it is.
Okay. And that's the interior bolted.
So that the whole thing is supported with extra support, both inside and out, and the fresh wood. So the wood behind this is all fresh. There's nothing rotten behind here. Now we're gonna have to do the other side. I'll take you over there, because this one, by the way, we put a new jack on. There's a pretty new jack, because the other one was not letting us level the trailer. This one is not broken yet, but you can see it's already started. And so we put some silicone on there. It's still, can you push down on it with your finger? So it's still working. It's pretty solid under there. We haven't gotten in to see how the wood looks, but solid. But we can tell that it's cracking the outside. So we're gonna do just basically, if the wood is good, we're gonna do the same thing we did on the other side and put the reinforcement. We won't necessarily have to replace a piece of wood, but at least do that reinforcer front and back, reinstall the hook so that the whole thing works a little bit better. My next big repair is re-sewing this piece of vinyl fabric onto the holder. The only thing that happened here, and you can see, it's the piece that attaches to the trailer is still there, but apparently the stitching came undone. So I have some waxed thread and some needles, and I'm going to re-sew this. The vinyl itself is not torn, it's just the stitching that's come undone, and that's happened. It's actually, this is on our slide, and we have the problem on both slide ends. So you can see we have the same problem on this side. The vinyl itself is good, but the stitching has come loose. So I'm going to re-stitch this along this piece here that is supposed to be, this vinyl is supposed to be stitched to. And we're going to repair this slide out. Anyway, that'll be next.